In today's video, we are going to make lobster infused popcorn. First, we carefully remove 376 corn kernels. And now, we perform delicate corn surgery. Each kernel must be completely empty. Next, the lobster. Chopped, smashed, turn into a luxurious seafood paste. Then, time to inject 376 corn kernel with the lobster paste. The lobster corns are then arranged in a tray and dried for several days. Now, the moment of truth. The lobster corns enters the popcorn machine. Finally, there it is. Freshly popped lobster popcorn is ready. Would you try it?